What?
I don't know where this came from.
Yeah, right. Hold on, go to the restroom. Go to the restroom.
Ew.
Go to the restroom. Go to the restroom.
Wait!
Let me see. What did you do? What did you do? Look, you got the wall bloody. You got the wall all red.
Ew.
What did you do?
I didn't do nothing.
Look, you even got it on the counter.
I didn't know.
What'd you do?
Ew.
What is that, lipstick? What
No.
was it? What'd you put on your face?
I don't know. It's like paint or something. I'm gonna
Son,
I'm
you're always doing something.
Oh shoot! It's not gonna rinse off. Help me! Help me! Do you want to go bring something in? Please give me.
Oh, look, you're getting it all everywhere.
Oh, great! Please get this off my face.
Oh my.
Is it coming off?
No, it's getting worse.
Help me! Daisy!
Oh, dang, your face is... Calm down, you're gonna scare everyone. That was her mess.
I'm bleeding. That's why I just cut myself my whole head. Go bring me something. Go bring me bleach or something. Like that little stuff. Get off promise. Put it all over me.
Get your face, man.
Get
No, she said not to use the bright one, use the green one.
What green one?
The one right in front of your face.
Oh, you don't let me use stuff. Let me see.
Wait, don't touch, don't touch. Wait, quit touching stuff, you're making a mess. Oh my.
Oh my God! Please get my face off red! I'm turning into the Diablo!
The what?
Diablo! Please help!
So this is what happens if you leave her alone for like 5 seconds.
Go bring me something red or something.
Be careful.
Stop. Put a bag on me.
Wait, say that again?
I'm gonna put a bag on me.
Say the YouTube thing. What?
Please help me on YouTube.
Now say it in Spanish.
Por favor, no me pongas on YouTube.
Don't put the bag over. Stop, stop, stop.
Oh,
What's wrong?
how am I gonna get all this stuff off my face?
Be careful, don't lean too much. Oh! I told you not to lean.